If you've been hunting for the perfect stand mixer but feel overwhelmed by the number of options out there, stay with me. Today we're breaking them down from the weakest to the very best, so you'll know exactly which mixer deserves a spot in your kitchen. Let's kick off the list with the mixer that lands at the bottom of our ranking. Hamilton Beach 63390 is a budget-friendly pick that tries to mimic the performance of more expensive brands. It's small, lightweight, and simple to use, which is great if you're new to baking or just need something for basic recipes. What it does well is offer planetary mixing and familiar attachments, including a dough hook, beater, and whisk. It gets the job done for light tasks like whipping cream or preparing cookie dough. If you compare it to mixers further up the list, you'll notice this one is the most compact and the most affordable way to start baking with a stand mixer. Of course, the smaller size comes with limitations. The 4-quart bowl feels tight if you try making larger batches, and the 300-watt motor can struggle with heavier doughs. Compared to the rest of the lineup, it just doesn't offer the power or stability needed for more demanding baking. If you're someone who bakes occasionally and doesn't tackle large loaves of bread or dense doughs, this could still be a good match. And before we move on, remember, you can find links to all the mixers we're reviewing today at the best price right below in the description. Next up is FIWOTOOJI Stand Mixer 1, taking 4th place on our list. It makes a big first impression with its modern look, huge bowl, and a motor that absolutely dwarfs the one we just talked about. This mixer definitely brings power and features that feel geared toward more serious home baking. It offers the largest capacity in this lineup, and that 900-watt motor means it's built to handle big batches and dense doughs without complaining. The digital touchscreen control and stability features give it a premium feel despite its price. Compared to Hamilton Beach, it's an immediate jump in mixing strength and convenience. Where things get tricky is brand reliability. There just isn't a lot of long-term feedback out there. While it packs impressive specs, the lack of an established reputation means durability and customer support aren't guaranteed. That uncertainty is the only real thing holding it back from ranking higher. If you like experimenting with heavy doughs, baking for family gatherings, or meal prep quantities, this mixer gives you the space and power you're looking for. And if you're enjoying the breakdown so far, hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel and lets us keep creating honest comparisons like this one. Coming in third is the VIVOHOME VH291-GY. This mixer strikes a balance between power and practicality, with a generous 6-quart bowl and 660-watt motor. It's built to handle most baking tasks without feeling oversized or intimidating. One of the standout things here is stability. That suction cup base really does make a difference when the mixer is kneading tougher doughs. Compared with previous products, it feels sturdier and more versatile, especially with 10-speed levels that give you plenty of control. For everyday baking, it's a reliable workhorse. There are still a couple of drawbacks. Since it's a tilt-head mixer, you may run into some wobble if you regularly make very dense doughs, and not all attachments are dishwasher safe. These are small things, but worth considering if you like hassle-free cleanup or do a lot of bread making. If you cook and bake regularly, but not at commercial levels, this mixer fits right in. It offers real value for the price without being overkill, and for many home kitchens, this might be the sweet spot. In second place, we have the AUCMA SM-5018N. It's one of the most popular mixers among home bakers today, and it's easy to see why. AUCMA manages to offer a strong motor and a big bowl, but without the premium price tag you might expect. Compared to everything we've seen so far, this one brings more efficiency to heavy doughs and larger recipes. With 6.5 quarts of space, you can make multiple loaves in one batch, or bake big dessert recipes for parties without running out of room. The anti-slip feet and splash guard also make the process smoother and less messy. Still, it's worth noting that this mixer comes from a brand that doesn't have the decades-long support network offered by premium kitchen brands. And while the motor is strong, the tilt-head design still can't quite match the stability of high-end bowl lift mixers. If you want strong performance without spending premium money, this one is a smart move. It gives you capacity, power, and reliability that most home bakers will never outgrow. And finally, the top spot on our list belongs to the Cuisinart SM-50. It may not have the biggest motor or the largest bowl, but when it comes to overall performance, build quality, and long-term reliability, this mixer just pulls ahead. Cuisinart wins here because it gives you the best balance. The 500-watt motor and 12 speeds offer precision rather than brute force. The die-cast metal construction feels rock solid, and the attachment hub opens the door to food processing accessories, pasta rollers, and more, making the mixer a real kitchen tool, not just a baking appliance. It's not perfect. If you work exclusively with huge batches of bread dough, you might want more power. And the 5.5 quart bowl isn't the biggest here, but overall, the SM-50 delivers the most well-rounded experience without unnecessary weaknesses. If you want a mixer that's tough enough for daily use, versatile enough to grow with you, and backed by a brand with outstanding support, this is the one worth investing in. It's the most complete stand mixer in the lineup. If you're ready to pick up one of the top mixers from today's review, make sure to check the links in the description below for the best prices. And if you enjoyed the breakdown, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews that make your buying decisions easier.